Is this the second time you've been on my channel watching a video, maybe even a third or fourth time? We're practically friends, so go ahead and make it official and subscribe. All vans are welcome on this channel. My last video, I featured a Ford Parts 1 2-inch lifted van. You know what I have next to me? Another Slick Rick sighting. Action van suspension, 5-inch lift kit. I think his van's taller than mine. I'm on a Weldtec lift. Let's go ahead and take a look at Slick Rick's van. My van's on a Weldtec lift. Slick Rick is on an action van. His van's taller than mine. Look at the mirror. Action van suspension advertises their lift kit as a 4.5 to 6-inch lift. Weldtec advertises theirs as a 5-inch lift, so Action Van Suspension goes safe with their prediction. But there it is, Slick Rick's van. What am I doing here? How did you spot Slick Rick again? Nice fender, Slick Rick. Look at that fender. I'm Walmart camping right now. I'm actually gonna park in the back. I texted Slick Rick and said, hey Slick Rick, when you get off of work, I'm gonna be sleeping in the back there, so if you want to hang out when you get out, yeah, just park next to me. We'll hang out for a while. I'm actually headed to the Honda Element meet in Irvine. I'm about 30 miles away from Irvine right now, 30 minutes away. So I'm Walmart camping right now. Just got off of work. There it is, Slick Rick's van. Yeah, his van's taller than mine. So, who wants a lift kit? Who's saving for one? Who has a lift kit? What do you guys got? I love this talk. I love talking about lifted vans. And like I said, my last video, Ford Parts 1, that was Arthur Nava's van. Quick look at Slick Rick's van. I got a friend with a U-joint. Who has a U-joint? I would like to feature a U-joint on my channel, or a Quigley. See, my channel isn't a business. I'm just a guy that really likes talking about lifted vans. And I don't care what lift kit you have. I just want to see all my friends get lifted because it's cool. So there you go. See you guys in the morning. I'm headed to the Honda Element meet.